Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss chain rule. Okay. Let me start from here. Chain rule. Let me start from here. That is chain rule. Okay. Right. This is chain rule. So far I have discussed product rule and quotient rule. Okay. For derivative. Product rule for derivative. Quotient rule for derivative. Now I will discuss chain rule for derivative. Okay. Last lecture I discussed one example. See this. If there are let me then start from this example. Okay. Last lecture I told you if you have this function, the derivative of this, you know this, the derivative of this one, x power n equal to derivative of x power n equal to n multiply x power n minus 1. This is the derivative of x power n, right? If your function different from a function is tafadul, the function is like that, u power n. And here u power n, what is the meaning? And here u is function of fx, function of x. This one, u is function of x. And how to write derivative of this function? If x power n, هذا على طول here class, right? But here of x, if here function of x, u power n. Then how to write derivative of this function? Okay, you will write this way: n and multiply u power n minus 1. Okay, and here the tafadul u, tafadul u, this way. You will write this way. So this is called power rule. So what you do if last lecture I gave you one example here. See, you can write this way also. U is function of x, right? You can write this example, this kanun, this rule this way also. Tafadul, if here मौजूद function fx power n, function fx power n, माफी x, माफी x, मुख्तलिफ mean x. Then what to do? You will write this way. You will write first n, and then this function, same function, fx power n minus 1, and then tafadul d by dx, tafadul of this function fx, this way, right? This is called general power rule. This is called here, see this here, tafadul. This is called general power rule. This is general power rule combined with the chain rule. The tafadul gx power n equal to n, gx power n minus 1. Another tafadul g. Okay. What you do actually, you have y is a function of you have this function for this one. You have this function y equal to here function and here tani function gx. Then how to find tafadul? Find this tafadul y equal to, first you get tafadul of this outside function, this one. Tafadul f dash and this gx same. gx no change. And बाद अंदर tafadul जुआ function. Tafadul जुआ function यानी x. Right? This is called chain rule. What you did here, there are two functions. The f outside function and gx juआ function, inside function. Right? And what you do here actually, if you take tafadul y dash, first you take tafadul this other function, outside function, f dash. And this juआ function, same thing, no change. And then tafadul juआ function. Here, tafadul juआ function. Okay. This is called chain rule. First you derivative take tafadul of outside function, inside function, juआ function same. And then tafadul of juआ function. Okay. Written here, this is called chain rule. This one, f dash x equal to f dash the gx same and then tafadul gx. Okay. Now see the example. And this rule I discussed, this is called power rule. This one. So look here. See one example I will discuss here of this rule. See the rule and see the example here. See this example. If y equal to this one, if y equal to x power 3 plus 2x, another Kamil power 5. This one. This, then find y dash, the tafadul of this function y dash. This one. You have to find this. Right? See the solution. How to solve this? You know y dash. You will write this way. Y dash equal to what is this? Y dash equal to this d by dx. Right? And here d by dx of y. Yeah, it is x power 3 plus 2x and power number is 5. Now look, which rule you will use here? You will use which rule use? So hina jua. Hina. هذا ما في فقط x. هذا ما في فقط x. هذا مختلف. هذا مختلف من x. هذا x power 3 plus 2x and all power this 5. Here you will use this rule. Either here you will use this rule. U power n. هذا will use this rule. Here you will take here u equal to we will take this u equal to x power 3 and plus 2x. We will take this one because you can see here if هنا فقط x power n ما في مشكلة هذا خلاص. هذا ما في x power n هذا x power 3 plus 2x power n هذا كامل power n. Okay, this you will take u. You know derivative of choose this one here. How to write? First you write this. Write the rule here. This equal to what? You will write this equal to, first you look here, n. N yusawi come here, n yusawi comes up. Uktub hina comes up. And then uktub this u. U means what? U means hada kamil. U means this hada kamil. How 3 plus 2x. U means hada. And then power come n nakis wahid. n nakis wahid yani 5 minus 1. And then darb hina. Darb hada come. Darb tafadul. Darb hina tafadul. Tafadul come. Tafadul u. Tafadul u. U what? U hada. X power 3 plus 2x. This one. Look this way. You understand this? You understand this? How to apply this rule? Yes. Okay. Now look here. Now this equal to y dash equal to 5 under here come x power 3 plus 2x here 4 power 4 here. Tafadul derivative of x power talata x here and plus tafadul 2x. Tafadul 2x and 2 number here and tafadul x yani wahid. This equal to what? Y dash equal to 5 and here x power 3 plus 2x power 4 and the talata x terbiya and plus 2 darb 1 yani 2. Hada answer. Okay. Right. So again let me explain here. Again see the rule. Whenever you see here it is. Whenever you see this type, if you see tafadul 3 over dx are here. Here fakat x. Here fakat x power n. Okay. Then this equal to alatul n the x power n minus 1. Okay. But if hina mafi 3 over dx. If hina mafi x. If hina hada mafi x. If hina mukhtalif any function. Mukhtalif yani u. Okay. And here power n. It's n and here and hada mukhtalif mafi x. Mukhtalif mean x. Then you will use this rule. N darb u power n minus 1 and darb tafadul u. You will use this way. Right? Okay. To suppose to two outside. Which two? X plus 2x. X plus 2x. See, I mean to say here, look here. If here, if you see here x, other finus of x power n, like that. Then هذا rule, هذا على طول. Right? But if here any number, here موجود power, هذا power. هنا مختلف mean x. ما في x, maybe 2x, maybe 3x, maybe 4x, maybe x plus 2, any مختلف mean x. Okay, then use this rule. Right? Now see this. Let me take another example here. Suppose this example. Y equal to here. Y equal to under root 2x plus 1. This one. Under root 2x plus 1. Okay. Then find y dash. Find derivative of this. Right? So you know how to solve this. Under root 2x plus 1. See this. Here y equal to under root 2x plus 1 is what? This is 2x plus 1, and here power come, power 1 by 2. See this. Same or mukhthalif? Which rule here use? How to find derivative? Here this equal to y dash equal to d by dx. Tafadul other 2x plus 1 and power come here, power 1 by 2. Also pina ada x wala mukhthalif min x. हुआ कम 2x plus 1 माफी है 2x plus 1 मुख्तलिफ min x. Here use this कानून, second कानून आधा. Here you will take u equal to come, you will take u equal to 2x plus 1 this way. Right? Understand? Yes. हुआ मुख्तलिफ min x माफी x 2x plus 1 power nose आधा n. Okay? And hada u, because hina mawjood 2x plus 1 maafi x 2x plus 1, this is u, you will take u all the time. Right? This equal to what? What is the kanun? Awwal uktub n, here kanun mood. See this. Awwal uktub this n, n means what? 1 by 2, and there then uktub u means this, u means hada kanun 2x plus 1. Okay, and power come n nakis 1, n hada 1 by 2 and nakis 1 hada. Baden tafadul d by dx. Tafadul come u. U means what? U means this function 2x plus 1 this way. Right? Plus baden hada. This equal to what? This equal to 1 by 2 2x plus 1 power come nose minus 1 half minus 1. This is salib nose. And the other come tafadul 2x. Tafadul 2x yani 2 here and tafadul x yani wahid. Plus hina mawjood fakat rakam hakiki. So tafadul wahid yani sifar hada. It's equal to what? Wahid ala that. So hada come. Hada hina mawjood salib. Seal tahat. This will be mojab 2x plus 1 here power nose and the come hina 2 the 1 yani 2 here sifar plus agi hina 2. This equal to what? This 2 and this 2 cancel. Hada come this 2x plus 1 and power nose. It means what? That 2x plus 1 hada answer. right? Understand this? Okay. So I mean to say, whenever you see here, here x, هنا x موجود x power n then ما في هذا قانون على طول موجود. here ما في x هنا جوا موجود مختلف من x يعني مختلف من x يعني u this قانون power قانون, that is called general power قانون. Right? So, okay. Same here. See this example. fx equal to hina jadar x tarbiya plus 1. I taken jadar x plus jadar 2x plus 1. Here jadar x tarbiya plus 1. So use the same way. Look here. Use same way. Take here u. Right? The Juga function. Use the same way. See the. We write the solution here. See this example. This example. Here, if fx equal to jadar x tarbiya plus 1. X tarbiya plus 1. Find f dash x. Further derivative. Now see the solution. How to solve this? fx यसावी jadar x tarbiya plus 1. And this you can write this way. Jadar x tarbiya plus 1 and power come other same thing, right? Okay. So here you take u isavi this x tarbiya plus 1 u isavi this. Why? Because hada maafi x, hada mukhtalif min x tarbiya plus 1. So this is u, right? Hal hada. How to solve? F dash x fadul is equal to fadul this one, fadul this fx. Okay, and this equal to what? How to solve this? You will write this way. This equal to fx yani this d by dx of this one. If fx yani come hada x tarbiya plus 1 and hada kamil power nos and hada is hada you have taken u. Okay. So use the u kanun. Is equal to what? U kanun. What is u kanun? Dual hada power n yani hada 1 by 2. There u power u yani this x tarbiya plus 1 u yani this x tarbiya plus 1 and power come n naqis wahid. Baden dar tafadul hina come tafadul u means what? Hada x tarbiya plus 1 hada kanun. Remember this? This equal to what? This equal to 1 by 2 here and power come here x square plus 1 and hina power talib nus and that tafadul hada come x tarbiya tafadul x tarbiya yani 2x and plus tafadul wahid yani 0. Okay. Now look here. This means what? Is equal to wahid ala 2 hada wahid ala 2 hada kam hina salib mawjud sil tahat hada x tarbiya 1 na mujab nus तहत मूजब नुस अंदर हिना मौजूद इथनेन एक्स هذا اثنين एक्स super class this اثنين and this اثنين cancel كم باقي هنا فوق باقي एक्स एक्स ضرب واحد يعني एक्स تحت كم تحت هذا ايش هذا एक्स تربيع plus 1 power موجب نص يعني better एक्स تربيع plus 1 this is the answer x على इधर x تربيع plus 1 this is the answer right you understand this okay clear now come to the next example I explained here one if derivative is like that and this father here one function here you have to find the father hada f here and here موجود جوا gx هذا outer function this f is this is outer outer and هذا inner inside inner function okay inner function jua okay and you have to find the father of this right and how to find the father what is the father outer function hada still the father of this outer function the father hada dash and this inner function gx hada same माफी change okay and بعدين seal هنا the تفاضل inner function g dash x تفاضل inner function this way what I did the outer function seal تفاضل outer function and this inner function جوا function same مكتوب هنا okay and بعدين seal هنا the and تفاضل جوا function this way okay if this type of function function and then function and then function this is composition function okay? How to find the derivative now see this example I will use this rule into this question this example differentiate and tafadul a equal to this y is sin x terbiya y equal to sin x terbiya right number b this equal to y is sin terbiya x see the difference hina sin hina x terbiya and hina sin terbiya x see how to find the derivative which rule here apply see this rule here written rule example this y equal to sin x terbiya right वहाँ पे sin x in a x terbiya right so find this one y dash okay so look here how to find y dash here y dash and tafadul is equal to what tafadul y dash and it is d over dx of you know y d over dx of y come hada sin and here x terbiya okay so here use this kanun here so आधा sin यानी sign yani treat like that. Hada f outer barra function and hada x tarbiya. If hada sin x then maafi mushkila. Sin x yusawi tafadul sin x yusawi cosine x. Class. But hina sin and hina mawjood x tarbiya. This x tarbiya treat like this dua function, like this dua function, like this one here मौजूद. So f here मौजूद and gx here मौजूद. So hada gx and hada f, hada barra function and hada jua x tarbiya yani gx. So use this rule here. Use hada kanun. Okay. What is this kanun? First look here. This kanun is here. This look. Equal f dash yani tafadul f yani tafadul hada tafadul sin. तफादुल साइन कम, तफादुल साइन यानी कोसाइन प्लस बादन हिना वाट तो जीएक्स नफ्सो, जीएक्स यानी हादा नफ्सो, हादा उतो एंड बादन हिना दरकन जी डैश एक्स तफादुल जी डैश एक्स यानी तफादुल जीएक्स. So हिना तफादुल जीएक्स यानी एक्स तरबिया, तफादुल जीएक्स यानी एक्स तरबिया. This way. See this. Right? It is equal to what? Hada cosine x tarbiya hina plus and dar tafadul hada gx. Hada tafadul gx. G dash x means what? Tafadul gx. Tafadul x tarbiya. And tafadul x tarbiya come to x. What is answer? Answer this. Cosine x tarbiya and dar 2x. अब 2x यानी 2x ऊपर भी ना 2x dar sin आंसर. You understand it or not? Is it clear? Yes. Yes. Good. Now look here. This was A. Other A class. A was this. Y equal to 9 and hina x tarbiya. Okay. So how you have taken? This you have taken F and this you have taken X. Now see this one B. What is difference? B is this y equal to sin tarbiya x. Other sin tarbiya x. What is the meaning here? You can write sin tarbiya x and r uktub hada sin x and kamil hada tarbiya. Hada same. Don't confuse. Now look. هذا مختلف هنا ساين أول ساين يعني F and جوا X تربية يعني GX. Use this قانون. Okay. But here مختلف هنا ساين تربية and بعدين F. ساين تربية يعني هذا كامل تربية. Right. Sin X here. Now tell me which قانون use here? If you want to take this father y dash equal to d over dx father and هذا. And hina मौजूद sin x and hina power 2. So which कानून use here? Which कानून use? So father hina subjuwa sin x and power come 2. The sin x मुख्तलिफ min x. So which कानून use here? Use this one. Use this one or use this one? Use this or use this? This number 1 or number 2? Tell me. Which कानून use? Yes, chain rule number 2. Yes, you are right. Number 2. Because in a power power मौजूद and जुआ कम. जुआ मुख्तलिफ mean x. माफी x या मुख्तलिफ mean x. Then use this u कानून. So here what? You have to use u कानून. Okay? So here u इसावी कम. u इसावी here sin x. So this equal to what? First you write this power. Power 2 and baden u hina. U means what? Sin x. Sin x. And power come 2 minus 1. And the tafadul hina u. U yani sin x. This one. And this equal to what? 2 darb. Here sin x. Power 2 minus 1 yani 1. 1 yani sin x. And the tafadul sin x come. Tafadul sin x yani cosine x. Last lecture I told you. Is equal to what? 2 sin x or cosine x. Are the answer. So did you see the difference? Sin x tarbiya and sin tarbiya x. Remember all the time. Is this one. The sin here and the x tarbiya. Here use this कानून. F out and G हुआ कानून. هنا sin tarbiya x यानी sin x power coming tarbiya. Same. Right? This way. You understand this? Any question here? No. Okay. Right. Okay, so today I will stop here. Let me solve one more question, then I will stop. Okay. Why we put power 2 up? Where is power 2 up? Okay, here. You understand the function. Yeah. Why you took power up? Here, huh? Why you do this? Okay. Right? Yes. See this. If anywhere written this function written this sin tarbiya x, if written this one, it means what? Sin tarbiya x yani sin tarbiya x yani hada sin x darb sin x. हिना तरबिया मौजूद यानी इतने मर्रात दर्ब sin x darb sin x, right? And sin x darb sin x you can write this way also. You can write this way. Power 2 यानी इतने मर्रात दर्ब sin x darb sin x. If x तरबिया मौजूद क्या खुद x तरबिया यानी x, okay? هذا sin x darb sin x यानी sin x هذا कामिल तरबिया. So this means this. If not tarbiya मौजूद, this means this here. Okay? But if here tarbiya मौजूद, sin x, if here tarbiya मौजूद, x tarbiya मौजूद, then hada you cannot write this way. You cannot write this way. Okay? Here tarbiya here मौजूद x. This means you will write this sin hada x tarbiya यानी x darb x, here darb x darb x. फकत माफी sin. هذا angle هذا زاوية गया and هنا function x tarbiya function tarbiya. You understand that? Be careful about that. Okay, so now I will stop here. go now. Thanks for joining today.